This is NPR News.
Support comes from True Assure Insurance, working to help make dental insurance plans simple to understand and dedicated to offering flexible and comprehensive dental plans for individuals, families, and businesses, both large and small. More at trueassure.com.
Support comes from PJ's Coffee of New Orleans, offering a wide array of freshly roasted gourmet coffees, from cappuccino to iced coffee, granito, specialty teas, and also serving pastries. PJ's Coffee of New Orleans is roasted locally. More information is at pjscoffee.com.
This is New Orleans Public Radio at 89.9 FM in New Orleans and 90.5 FM in Thibodeau-Houma. We also have a 24-hour classical music station at 104.9 FM in New Orleans. Learn more at wwno.org.
I'm Janine Herbst with these headlines. A redacted version of a Democratic memo rebutting Republican allegations that the FBI abused its surveillance of an ex-Trump